Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So Revit architecture tutorial series we have started for the architects and the civil engineers. So in previous videos we have discussed about how you can create a wall, how you can create a different material for that particular wall, how you can create a door, and now in this video today we will be discussing about how you can place a window in your Revit to your any building house project or any commercial project. Then how you can modify the window width, height as per your requirement, and how you can change the material. So let's start quickly here. So from architecture tab, as we already know that these panels are used to create any model element for architecture like wall, doors, windows and everything. For structure part, all the elements will be available here. For the MEP parts, all the elements will be available here. So for the window, we have to go to architecture, then we have to select the window. Also shortcut command is there, WN, which you can change. If you don't want it to be used as a KN, you can change those shortcut command from the shortcut window. For shortcut window, you have to press KS, then the shortcut keyboard shortcut window will be open. Here you can change, for example, for window, if you want to change, you can change from WN to whatever you want. Then you can simply press that command from keyboard and that command will be on. For example, for window right now WN, so if I press WN, then it will show the as you can see here, I can now place the windows on any wall. So by shortcut command you can faster your modeling practices. For now I am going to window. Then here there are many types of windows available as per your project template, the template or the project shared from client end, or if you are starting from scratch, then Revit also have a default doors families if you have selected an architectural template while starting your architecture project. So simply now we have to choose a family. For example, I am selecting this family. Right now the dimension are in mm because the project I am doing is based on the metric template. If you have selected an imperial template, then these data will be in the feet. So mostly for the windows, what sizes we are using for any household project, mostly we are using 3 feet to 4 feet, 5 feet or 6 feet. These widths are mostly used in India also for any household projects. So as per your client requirement, you will create a family if it is not there, and how you can adjust in any existing family the width as per your requirement we will be discussing. For now, if I choose this window, let's say if I am choosing this window, then I have to select a particular wall where I want to place this window. For example, this is this whole area. This is an roadside front side of the house, and I want one window to be this side of the wall. So here you can simply click and this wall will be placed in the Revit. Okay, now if you select this window, there will be some properties, same likewise as door we have discussed in our previous video. If you select particular window, here it will show you the level, which level this window belongs to. So this window belongs to ground floor building elements, means it belongs to ground floor wall. So as we are having a ground floor, then first floor, then we are having a third floor, then we are having a roof. So for the ground floor, this window we have placed in the ground floor wall. Okay, next one here, seal height. Seal height, what does the seal height mean? Seal height means from the ground floor bottom or the ground floor level, as the ground floor level we have created in our second video of this tutorial series. So from the ground floor or the ground floor level plus the floor finish level, both are same in our project, as you can check in the sections also, because we have created, while we are creating the levels, we have make sure, see here, that the ground floor finish FFL and the slab, top of the slab, both are at the same level. So window location means window height will be giving the dimension. Seal height is taking the dimension from this FFL. Okay, so right now as you can see here, let me select the another face. So as you can see here, window right now it is showing the seal height means the bottom of the window from the top of the finish slab, or you can say the bottom of the window from the FFL of ground floor FFL. So right now the bottom is around 1 feet 7 inches approx. It is high from the ground floor FFL. Okay, so this is seal height, means the bottom of window distance from any level. If you want to change the seal height to, for example, if you want to change this to 2 feet, you will simply mention here and the window will get shifted as per your requirement. So basically in our houses we are using the seal height at a 3 feet or 2 feet as per 2 feet 6 inch as per the client requirement. For example, if you are using 3 feet, so we can simply mention the 3 feet data here. Next parameter, head height, means if you are moving any window, whatever, for example, we have increased the 3 feet seal height, so the top of the window from, as you can see here, the top of the window is right now 9 feet it is showing head height. Means if I took the dimension from here, from the ground floor FFL to top, as you can see here, 9 feet 3 inch it is coming right now. So what is the head height of this window? So it will show you 9 feet 3 inch. What is the bottom? It will show you the same 3 feet whatever we have filled in the seal height. So head height will show you the top of window, the seal height will show you the bottom of window from the FFL, whatever FFL you have created that one. Okay, this one is clear. So these parameters we should aware about of these parameters. Next, if you go to, let us go to the 3D view again. Okay, so this window we have placed. So in 2D plan also you can simply place those window. You just need to select the any wall, then by using the mouse arrow, if you move the mouse arrow towards outside direction, it will place the main window in the exterior part of the wall. Okay, for example, this window we have placed in the exterior part of the wall. Next, if I move the cursor to the inside of this hall, it will place the window panels in the interior part of the wall. For example, I have placed, so as you can see here, both window are placed as per different parts of the wall. So if you go to 3D view, you can clearly see here this window, the panels are in the exterior part of the wall. Here the panels are, the glass panels are in the interior part of the wall. So here the frame is inside this hall, and here the frame is outside the house. So this also you can control by placing any window to any wall or any room as per your requirement. Next, if you go to window, whatever the families you are having here, you can customize the height and width as per your requirement. For that you have to simply go to edit type. Okay, you will go to edit type. Any windows you are having, you can adjust the width and height as per your requirement. For here some parameters will be available. Okay, here you can see the width parameter will be there and the height parameter will be there. So right now the width is 2 feet. Before changing any parameter to existing window family, make sure you are always duplicating that particular window. So right now we will be duplicating it as a test sample, or the sizes you can mention what sizes you are converting. For example, I am making it 3 feet by 5 feet. Okay, this one I have created. Now I can change the parameter here, so it will not affect the existing families which are using the previous one. Now in the width parameter I will simply put the 3 feet. In the height parameter I will simply put the 5 feet. Here now I will do OK. So as you can see here, my family will be updated. So the next, as you can see, the adjustant family, the existing one will it will not have those parameter changes because we have duplicating the material while creating. See here, 3 feet 5 feet test sample, encasement with trim. This one encasement with trim, the existing one. So like this you can change the width and height of a window. Any window families you are having, you can change the height and width. For example, let me show you another one. For example, if you have placed another family here, let's say this window we have placed here. Also, if you go to edit type, you will found the length and width parameter, height and width parameter. So as you can see here, width parameter is there. You can change the width, you can change the height. For example, if you will put 5 by 5, okay, so the family will get updated as per the new inputs. So this is how you can change the existing height and width of the window. Next one, if you are not having that much families in your Revit project or in your Revit template, then you can create a new family from the family editor. You can download the families.rfa files from the internet. You can simply search on the Chrome that the window Revit family files, and you can download, and in insert you can load those families from your download folder. You have to simply select that family. That family will be available in your families project browser under the families tab. Then if you go to Windows, all those families will be available there, and you can simply select any family that you have recently downloaded and you can place. Understood? The next one, if you want to use the Autodesk Revit library windows, so for that you have to simply click on Load Autodesk Family. You will click on Load Autodesk Family. It will show you all the families by default which are stored in the Autodesk libraries. Okay, so from this Autodesk default libraries, you can select any different wall that you want, any different window that you want to use in your project. For example, if you are selecting this window arc W bars, you can click on it. You can click on load. You have to remember the name, whatever the name, and you can found those windows will be added in your project browser under the family tab. So for example, this one we have added windows arc W bars. Now simply we have to select the particular sizes. For example, this sizes I want to use. I have to select that wall and I can simply place. So here the family we have loaded from the Autodesk library. Those families will be placed on the wall. So this is how you can load the family from the Autodesk library also. So in this video we have discussed how you can place the windows and what is the seal head height parameter, how you can download the families from net, how you can load the family from the Autodesk library, how you can change the width and height of the family. Now one more parameter that I will introduce to you. For example, if you want to change the window color, then also, for example, if I am selecting this window, if I go to edit type, few materials you can see here: metal trim, material glass, and material frame. So if you want to change the material frame, right now the material frame, as we can see here, it is somewhat gray color, it is there. If you want to change this to, for example, for this easy understanding, we are changing this to yellow color. If you go click on those window frame 3 dot, the material will be available there. So right now the material is given as window frame and the color is gray. If you want to change this to, for example, yellow color, selected, okay, you have to simply change the color. And this one we have discussed detail how you can create a material for any particular new wall, how you can change the material in any existing walls and doors tutorials also. So same concept is there. We have selected okay. Now the color of that particular window will be changed to whatever we have selected. Okay, so this is how you can change the color from the from the material browser for any existing window. So if this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.